understand my condition as a government servant, na? I have to act as per the law of the country. I cannot allow this, na. You talk about yourself. I'll.
Rara pan kupilo lang plot kente lagi. Lupik. Itung ke munit kali marat mari ngapisa saya se man itung kente lagi. Manpeng ave man itung ke hadak ke. Hadak rat.
People struggle long live. People struggle long live. People struggle long live.
La bangke itum karbiang long radeta iltum ke ciniat lo ke dam tangar ni ilitum dak phelang pi keronia long ilitum akarbi itum pan thengang akdet la so thengang akdet pena bangke itum parti dhormo kidu ke plang cepatin tipin pensi dak phelang pi la towar pi long itum kaduk be ingni thip se chesong lo hala bangso ka chesongar ni radeta thek prong lo omor sing tiso ke hai la pen dor sing long hang ke hai alang litum CM tuliram long hang alam toy pen si haladak rara Athengno bang lo la pen haladak rara Athengno amasi omor sing tiso ke hai ta jailo ing koyar ni ke ilitum ching vaya nang la pen non there po cheklo mars throxier ni atumi lo la bang sor ni ke sarte phangcho long le long pen hala poromananda bhagot la pen chohana tum dak long le ka cherai thi pa bang ke la ke dak pen tharle po mate eviction claim po pusi hala dak si chak te kang lo tangte atumian ke eviction da ave thang da ave te kupia phan si rara phan ka chobai nang ponte rara phan kupilo lang plot kente la ke lupik itung ke munit kali marat mari ngapisa saya se man itung kente la ke manpeng ave man itung ke hadak ke hadak rara phan ke than ki mumpon ke japon ke ini tum kado belo ante hala ni tum rara phan ke than alam chake kupilon de lake to CM tuliram rong hanga tum non nang barsi rara phan che thanang ponon pipon lo eviction kem kita kente la pen eviction jong si claimun e pulutang de kupilo rara phan jong thuinang po chobai nang po kente claimun e damun e claim thek thelo pulutang de hala sorni si che than dak nei le thek pulutang te la pen thek pulute ar pulong niri nili puji pu bangke nili taso ar pulong ni ne jong si thek pulutang te akapre choklem moi business choklem moi site ki noi akapre claim noi seta la so counselang hoyong jong si ni putang te rara phana ke mang la pen alam chak bang chi pleng thek nei la si pini tu be jo ni tum birta long lo phang cho hem long bangke omor sing chi so ke hai komane phana dak toy si kapamang hudam met chok bang kali der nei pini theng miet theng nei lam cha teng lo march troxier ni eviction claim ji pulo inghong lo claim kreder lo chesong phedang ponon asi pini nang bar noi pini dak itom party ji pu pe pin pen asong ji pu pe pin pen
Do it inside.
okay we'll do it
You do it inside. You do it somewhere, but don't block the road. This is under Mugati. Okay, please tell them. We'll provide now. We provide a space now. Okay.
Karbiang long angkang pia long tu sekolah dan memang kita tong ami apa kita abang so ami apa kita adopsi kita tentang tentang sekolah di kai ingkoi ami ladak karbiang long kemas konsep panjang mupi polisi ladak kita tentang kita semua tim saya potong political organization dengan ano kita para ekonomi dari election dek kok kita alang ni nak tak sekolah dengan kai ala so ami apa kita
No eviction! No eviction! No eviction! No eviction! No eviction! No eviction! Sakit berjuang dengan Taliban.
have complied. Do it. We are doing it democratically. We are not giving any instructions to the public.
No. Hello.
We know it. We know it. We know it.
Under 144, what is it?
But you also know it's what we have discussed there.
Under 144, it's on the protest. Deputy Commissioner. Deputy Commissioner will give you a designated place. The designated place is something in the park.
No, you know it. No, if we go to the room, there are so many debates, sir, but I don't want to debate, sir.
Yes, but here's 144.
We have given the order, we have complied, we are sitting on the left side. We can move forward.
Here is 144.
We know it, sir.
Here is 144. What is 144?
We know it, sir.
You cannot know. There cannot be a gathering of more than 5 persons.
We know it, sir. But then you also know it, what we have discussed there.
What?
What we have discussed on the 20th.
I'll not say anything illegal. That is whatever eviction is, that is the consent. Yes. My concern is that you should not break the law. When DC is given 144, 3 or 5, the gathering cannot be more than 5. Yes. If you are 4 persons, you are protesting here, I have no objection. But if the gathering is more than 5, see what the law says, I cannot allow it.
But sir, we are forced because
by force, you should not break the law of the country.
We are not breaking, sir. Sir, we are
You're breaking 144.
We are on the limit, sir. We are on the limit.
You are breaking 144.
Sir, we are on the limit. We have to protest against the council because they have broken their promises, sir.
There is no harm in the protest, but you do it democratically.
We are doing democratically, sir. We are just an assembly, sir. We are not using any unparliamentary votes to anyone.
No.
We are doing it democratically, sir.
But the gathering has itself become undemocratic now.
Sir,
Under 144.
if there is no gathering, sir, there is no protest, sir.
There is a way. We should have applied for permission now.
We will apply it, sir. But then
You do it.
you apply it, sir. We will do it, sir.
You apply it that we want to protest against the eviction of him. We will then see the scene. We will locate your place and do it. There is no harm.
We will do it, sir. We are not going to use any unparliamentary vote. But we'll be sitting here peacefully. I give you my word, sir. We'll be doing it here peacefully. But nobody will be harmed.
This is not a designated place, right? This is not a designated
sir,
place.
you know it, sir.
You do it in it will be under our protection. You do it in the designated place now. There is a designated Samsung in the park is there. There is a designated place for your protest. You sit there. I have no objection.
Sir, for the
But
time
it has
being,
to be in the designated place.
for the time being, let us agree that let the elected representative come here and then let him.
I can send that message to the independent only if you do it in the designated place.
Sir, let him come, sir.
How can he come to a place which is only speak lawfully? If I say anything unlawful, you can counter me.
Yeah, I'm not countering with
Yeah,
you.
yes.
I'm just discussing with you.
There is, because of these elections, there is 144. You understand it? Under 144, any protest, any rally by anybody, even the political party asks for permissions.
Yes, we know
And if you ask to protest, I have no objection, but it has to be allowed in the designated protest place.
That is why.
Like in Delhi, it's there in Jantar Mantar. You know it.
Yeah.
For Karbi Anglong, the designated place is Samsung Park, or it can be under your office premises. Other than that,
no properties have been destroyed. Everything was organized peacefully. You know that.
I know. I have full faith in it. Then do it democratically, na. Do it democratically as per law.
I think this is the only way to give.
But understand my condition as a government servant, na. I have to act as per the law of the country. I cannot allow this, na. You talk about yourself. I'll speak with my seniors. See what can be done. But even educationally protested. We have nothing to say. Okay. Just discuss myself.
Yes.